don't think you understand what we do here. There is not enough blood on your hands. Try harder.
Leave me alone! They're everywhere!
That poor man is terrified.
He's a coward.
They're everywhere!
He'll drag you down.
Stay! You're not a monster! You're not gonna kill me! What a relief. I've been running so long. Look, I may be a CO, but believe me, I always thought I had more in common with the inmates than the gung-ho COs they got here at Abbott.
He'll help you if you keep him safe.
He's weak. He should be
Now,
killed.
the only idea I have is that we gotta call for help. Somebody has to be able to help us. Come on, we need to get to the radio building. We can call from there. You keep me safe? Let's go. What are you supposed to do when you're in a nightmare and you just can't wake up? It's like I woke from a dream and everything beautiful is gone. This way. Ah! Oh no, I won't risk it. I won't take if there's any of those. I guess it looks safe now. Come on, this way. Why don't they ever stop? I guess it looks safe now. Come on, this way. Now, to get to the radio building, we gotta get into the yard. But hell, there's no way out of this tower. I thought there was, but there ain't. I don't know. I never believed it, but I think my mama was right. This is God's judgment, and we come up short. That did it. You're a smart man. A little crazy maybe, but smart. We can get out now. We're gonna make it.
Yeah,
Mama, why did I listen to you? You told me no man should make his living locking up other men like animals. You knew, Mama. You knew. Why didn't I listen?
Roy always wanted to play with his father. But where were you?
I ain't going out there. Those devils, they just... Just a little dream. You know that? I don't know how safe I feel if you're gonna... that like you did before. My mom always said God was gonna judge us someday. Gonna rain fire down from above. It ain't raining fire, but I sure wish it would. It'd be much better than this. You must be an angel from above, an angel of vengeance. Come to save us all. Come on, we're almost there. In here! The radio's in here! The radio's already on! What the... That sound coming over the speaker. It's like it's possessed or something. After all that, we're still damned.
It's your dark side.
Sometimes, I think you were the perfect father.
It looks like interference is coming from the western part of the island. Wait, that's gotta be from the old asylum. Corrections officers go out there sometimes. They set up an old radio so they can stay in touch with the Abbott. Maybe that's what's causing the interference. But maybe it's something else. I always thought that place was haunted. Listen, you see, there's no way I'm leaving this building with things like there is. So you're the ones gotta go to the asylum. There's a map right there. You'll need to go through the old quarry to get there. You can get out of the prison by climbing up to the roof right above us and then jumping over to the diggers building. I'll stay here and keep the radio safe from those goblins. At least I'll try. You gotta get to the asylum. Something's not right there. It's not much of a chance, but it's all we got. Get out of here, you fool! What you waiting on? You gotta get to the asylum. Something's not right there. It's not much of a chance, but it's all we got.
Copy? Hello, copy. It's Sergey. I'm at a sanatorium with the candidate Whitaker and Scott. We don't think we're alone. We're hearing weird sounds, you know, like, I don't know what it is. It's strange. Kennedy went out to look see. He's not come back. It's strange. Also, hooker breaking earthquake. If next out could bring a beaker from the infirmary would be much thanks from me. Sergey out.
hurts so much.
Dad was never there.
The bad man caught us.
I just wanted to be with my children.
He abandoned us.
Why didn't Daddy save us?
So many mistakes.
It isn't fair.
Why couldn't we live forever?
It hurts so much.
Dad was never there.
The bad...
This was your life, T. How did you let it get away?
And then this inmate begged me to give him a weapon to defend himself. Can you believe those balls?
I let some of mine out right after the quake. Then one cocksucker tried to shiv me. Some thanks.
Typical. Wasn't for the inmates, none of us would need to be on this godforsaken rock in the first place. I gave them a chance when I first got here. Those fuckers never cut me an inch of slack.
They're no better than rabid animals. The way they treat each other, the way they treat us.
That's right. I got shit down by this punk just last week. Fuck, that's the worst. It's a goddamn zoo in there.
Maybe Hargrave's got the right idea.
No, that jarhead's just out of control. We had to get out of there.
Give that nut long enough, he would have started capping COs he thought didn't suck his dick good enough.
Inmate's got a gun! Drop him!
closer! They can hear your footsteps!
Damn!
Deserve it.
My legs!
Oh,
Fucking
shit.
inmates!
You think anybody will trouble? Let them rot.
I drop one, another one shows up to take its place!
Where are they coming from? Down with the overseers. Gotta get payback! It's too good for those fuckers. Let's skin them alive. Yo, bro! Over here! Over here! Dude! I'm trapped! Thanks, bro! Hey, I hope you make it out too!
There's hope for you yet, Chief.
Has the devil trapped you? You're not a bad man. You have to believe.